And tonight, the spread of COVID-19 continues across the country. Less than a week after the total number of U.S. COVID-19 cases surpassed 11 million, well, today they climbed to 12 million. And as we head into Thanksgiving, it appears millions of Americans are ignoring the CDC's warning against travel. CBS 2's Danya Bacchus has more.
With some 50 million Americans planning to travel for Thanksgiving, health officials are concerned the pandemic will get worse.
Pause for a moment and do a determination of the risk-benefit within your family group. And then when you make your decision, that's your decision. No one's forcing anything on you.
As daily new cases approach 200,000 and some hospitals become stretched to the limit, the toll on frontline healthcare workers is growing.
At the end of the day, I would go home and go straight to the shower. Part of this was to protect myself and my family, but the other part was so I could go cry in the shower and finally release for the day.
In California, a 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. curfew goes into effect Saturday night in 41 counties, covering most of the state's residents. Some don't like it.
It's against everything I think that America stands for. There's no way anyone's going to tell me I have to stay in my house.
Like many cities, Denver's bars and restaurants are under newly tightened restrictions.
Ultimately, we don't have a significant federal response to support anything, restaurants especially. So I think it's huge. If you want businesses to be there when this is all done, then you need to support them now.
I got COVID after I came home from college, and it destroyed my lungs.
Months after 19-year-old Alexa Huskin-Hobbs survived COVID-19, the Colorado resident says she's still not fully recovered.
Like if your lungs normally expand like this, it's like my lungs feel like this.
Hobbs says she wishes she had done more to avoid the virus. Danya Bacchus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
And do stay with CBS 2 for continuing coverage of the pandemic. We have the latest on curfews and restrictions in our area on our website, cbsnewyork.com.